I spent 2 weeks convinced my new dehumidifier was defective because the bucket was always bone dry. Turns out, my unit was operating well. It just worked differently than the old school ones that I'm used to. The simplest way to know if your dehumidifier is doing its job is to check if water is collecting. But that's where the confusion starts. On most standard units, the tank fills up based on how humid the space is. In a swampy basement or during the first few days of operation, you might find yourself hauling that heavy tank to the sink every 6 to 8 hours. Once the humidity finally stabilizes, you usually settle into a routine of emptying it every day or two. Most dehumidifiers are designed to alert you when the tank is full, either by shutting off automatically, flashing an indicator light, or sounding a high-pitched alarm. But I'm running a GE unit with a built-in pump and a dedicated drain hose. My tank is always empty because the condensed water is drained out automatically before it ever sits in the reservoir. That is perfectly normal operation, not a sign of a defective unit. The same invisible drainage applies if you're using a unit with self-draining features. If you want a more accurate confirmation, grab a hygrometer. It's a small device that displays the humidity percentage in your room. I generally aim to place mine about 4 to 5 feet off the floor and keep it away from windows, doors, and vents that could skew the readings. Let it sit for about 15 to 30 minutes until the reading stabilizes. Note the reading, then check again in about an hour. If that percentage is dropping, your unit is doing its job. A healthy indoor environment usually sits between 30 and 50% humidity. Some newer smart models like the Frigidaire Gallery and the Midea come with Wi-Fi and companion apps. While the setup feels a bit gadget heavy, these apps let you monitor real-time humidity and water levels right from your phone, which is great for peace of mind, especially when you're away from home and can't check on it in person. If the humidity percentage is dropping and the water levels rising, the unit is working. Another way to check is by feeling the airflow. A working unit should be pulling air in through one side and pushing drier, slightly warmer air out the other. If you place your hand near the exhaust and feel warm air, that is a good sign. If the air is cold or non-existent, you likely have a clogged filter or a frozen coil.